left knee.
Okay, what happened?
Taekwondo, normal training, and we were going through aerial technique drills. It was nothing unusual. I just landed wrong. And when I landed wrong, it was still torqued instead of step down. And so when I did that, I was basically carried off the mat. I couldn't walk. It was non-weight bearing for 4 days.
4 days, okay.
I went to the orthopedic surgeon, got pictures. It wasn't my ACL again.
Okay.
It was a partially torn ACL. And I had calf muscles torn, ligaments torn, and my hamstring was torn all the way up. So now I'm here because I can't walk straight yet.
How much pain do you feel when you walk?
8
You cannot walk as you said 8 out of 10?
So it'll be a 10, like I can't walk that at all. But,
Okay.
contracted, because it's contracted, I can walk. But
Not flat, so you have to wear heels.
I can't fully extend my leg either.
And how long this been going on?
The injury was Monday night.
Okay. You just did not have any treatment, you just had those images.
Yeah. My doctor appointment was Wednesday last week, and
Okay.
we got the results back on Monday.
Okay.
And I made an appointment with you.
All right, can you show me where you feel the pain?
Sure.
Okay.
It's all along.
In the back of your calf
Yeah,
here?
it's all back, and it goes all the way up.
And what kind of pain is it? Sharp, dull, aching, sharp pain. Do you have constant pain?
Yes.
How much from 0 to 10?
Sitting here, it's probably about 5 or 6. My legs are down, so that helps.
But straight,
It's an 8
actually
to 10, yeah.
8 or 10. Okay. Let's see how you're walking. It's straight this way. You can walk this way. How much pain with that?
Oh, that's a good 8, 10.
Okay, come back. Don't aggravate it. I can see bruises in the back.
Oh, really? I can't see the back.
It's really bruised. Okay, I want you to come and lie on your back.
Okay, sir.
So tell me what happened after last treatment.
Okay, so by the time the evening came along, I was feeling a lot, probably 70% better. It was significant.
Okay.
Wasn't walking normally,
Uh-huh.
but I wasn't limping.
Okay.
And then the next day was the same. By the evening came, it was a really big jump to where I wasn't limping at all.
Okay. And you just had one treatment.
Yes.
That was 2 days ago. Yeah, yeah.
And today, I'm flat-footed
Uh-huh.
with no limp.
All right. So can you show us? Yeah. 1 second. Oh, look at that.
There's no visitation. I can just walk.
Wow.
There's pain, but it doesn't warrant a limp.
I remember the video yesterday. And you can go back. That's nice. So just one treatment and come back.
Correct.
So tell us, what do you think about ASTR?
Oh, it's fantastic.
All right, awesome. I'm glad you're doing better. Thank you so much. You can treat your pain at home and get similar results as what you just seen in this video. Simply click the link on the screen to start our home treatment program and begin your journey of healing, or go to asterinstitute.com.